Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a website for your business with GoDaddy, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the GoDaddy website. If you don't have an account, click on Sign In and select Create Account. Fill in the required details to set up your account. Once your account is created, log in to the GoDaddy dashboard. Look for the Website Builder option on the homepage. Click on Get Started to begin the website creation process. Choose a template that best fits your business needs. Preview the template to ensure it aligns with your vision. Once decided, click on Edit Site to customize the template. Use the drag and drop editor to add text, images, and other elements. To modify text, click on the text box and type in your content. To change images, click on the image area and upload your own graphics. Utilize sections like About Us, Services, and Contact to organize your content. Add any additional pages your business may need, such as a blog or portfolio. In the Settings menu, configure your site's title and description for SEO. Make this information relevant to your business to improve search visibility. Connect your website to your social media accounts for increased engagement. Once you finish customizing, click on the Preview button to see your website live. Ensure everything looks and functions correctly. When satisfied, click on Publish to make your website live on the internet. Choose a domain name for your website, preferably including your business name. If the desired domain is available, add it to your purchase. Complete the checkout process to secure your domain and hosting plan. After purchasing, return to the dashboard to link your domain to your website. Lastly, continue to update and maintain your website regularly for optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.